buddy.
Tonight we're taking the night train all the way to Bergen across Norway, and we have our own private sleeping compartment, so it's gonna be a fun night.
Let's go check it out. Welcome to our humble abode for the night. Come on in and I'll give you a tour. So as you step on in, there are 2 bunk beds, and the one on the top actually has a safety rail. You just have that little seatbelt up there connected on, and there you go. And then we have tons of lights, plugins near our bed, a window, and a sink. They even come with complimentary water, which is really nice. The ladder over here. Oh, a mirror. There's a ladder over here to get up to the bed. We'll show you how that works later when we go to sleep. And we have coat racks and little hangers right here. They also come with complimentary earplugs and chocolates on the bed. They even come with towels. That's so nice. There is no bathroom in this little suite, but they do have shared bathrooms down the hall. There's temperature control. We can ask for assistance if we need assistance. Let's not press that button, no.
I need some assistance. I need these people to subscribe, eh?
Hey, that's a good one. We also have blackout curtains for the windows because, again, it's like always light out during the summer. Oh.
Hey, it's the train station.
It's a train station, guys. What a great view. You get a train station view with our private suite. Plenty of storage up above for our bags. Honestly, overall, this room is super spacious. We've stayed in an overnight train before. Two, actually, yeah. And I'd say that this is definitely a more spacious one. Let's go show you the rest of the train.
Let's do it.
As soon as you walk out, there's more seats.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, these are actually pretty comfortable. Like if you're waiting for the bathroom or something, you can just stay here. Nice. Our room right there, the bathroom right next door. That's gonna be really convenient for me.
It's kind of like we have our own private bathroom. It's so close.
Classic bathroom, super roomy, has a toilet, sink, soap, and it's pretty much your standard bathroom. Yeah. Mirror.
Is the water out of there warm out of the faucet?
Oh my word, it is. Wow. It's warm water in the faucet, by the way.
Norway's got luxury.
I mean, it's Norway.
I think we're about to start moving. Moving around a bit, eh?
Yeah. So something we learned about last time is you basically just press this and it opens the door.
We tried to hoist them open last time.
That one slides.
Oh, heavy train doors.
What's so cool about the plus night seats in cabin 1 is that they're literally like business class seats. So while they are seats, you can literally sleep in them because they lie all the way back flat.
I love welcome in Norwegian. Velkommen.
So these are the shared cabins. They're perfect for people who have like groups of 6 because there's 3 beds and 3 beds on both sides. And it looks like each bed comes with a light, a outlet, and a
little mirror.
Nice. These windows are epic.
Man, we're going kind of quick.
Before the cafe, which is right over there, it says cafe, we're stopping by the bike rack area slash
I think there's luggage storage over here too.
luggage storage slash strollers.
Looks like they tie them up to keep them steady.
We're going fast. I can't like stand straight. So now we're at the cafe. It smells so good. They sell a lot of different meals here. So over here you have your like cold sandwiches, fruit, salads and stuff. Over there you have like candy, snacks, hot dogs, stuff like that. And I think you can order meals as well. Over here's Coach. I'm not going to talk to disrupt people, but we'll walk through. And that was the tour.
Nice. We are gonna get cozy.
Eat our chocolate and chill.
Yeah, that's true. We do have chocolate.
Is it good?
Milk chocolate. Really good.
I didn't talk about this in the tour because I didn't know, but we just found a table too. Look at that.
That's kind of cool.
I'm getting tired. It's time for bed.
So yeah, you just take this trusty ladder, and then all of a sudden, you're at the top. Look at that. That's way easier. So I have a little, oh man, I'm sleeping, but I don't want to fall out.
You really do move quite a bit up here, eh?
What's with the sass? Reyka keeps farting in here.
You fart. And it's smells.
Wait.
You fart, and it's an enclosed space, and it smells. He farted. It wasn't me.
This is a pretty big space for the air. Not really.
So this train ride will take around, I think, 7 hours. It costs 320 kroner, Norwegian kroner, which is about 300 USD. Alrighty, I think that's about it. We are going to go to sleep.
Night night.
Night.
We're at like the most scenic part of the trip right now. But I'm gonna let Reyka sleep and I'm gonna head to the dining car to get a little breakfast. Got coffee and a veggie wrap for breakfast. The veggie wrap is pretty good. It's full of fava bean, beets, spinach, carrot, and wrapped in a tortilla. These views are insane, like waterfalls, lakes, mountains. This train route I don't think covers like where cars normally go, so it's just this beautiful mountain path. Great view to enjoy a little breakfast. Man, that was really fun. I just wish it was longer. I wish we could have slept more and then enjoyed the views more. But it was about a 6 or 7 hour train ride, so 4 or 5 hours of sleep for me and then an hour of checking out the views. Reyka got like 6 hours. Alrighty everybody, we're gonna go explore Bergen, maybe eat some food, and then board a fjord cruise tonight.
Make sure to subscribe to those journeys, and we'll see you later.
Bye.